and welcome to Nyam Nyam. We're making Giant Oreo Cake. Wow, I love Oreo cookies. Start with a mixing bowl and crack in 14 eggs. Yes, 14! You did hear me correctly. It's going to be a huge cake. Whisk them up using an electric whisk for ease and pour in 350 grams of sugar. We're adding a little at a time, whisking in between each addition just to make sure it's all nicely dissolved. Then chuck in a pinch of salt and pour in 210 millilitres of vegetable oil. 530 grams of cake flour goes into that. Whisking it together, we don't want any lumps, so we're adding a little bit at a time. Then pour in 170 grams of cocoa powder. And pour in 140 millilitres of milk. Whisk it all together and you have a lovely chocolate cake mixture. We have got a fantastic cookie cake mould. We're just lightly spraying it with some oil and then pour in your mixture. Half goes into each cake mould. Now bake those in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. Once they're ready and slightly cooled, we're going to just slice off the top of each cake. We want a flat surface to work with here. Just turn them upside down and we're going to let them cool. Wow, look at that. Let's make the filling. We want 400 millilitres of whipping cream and 15 grams of sugar. Whisk those together in a mixing bowl. Till it's nice and thick. Excellent. Now for the fun part, we're going to crumble in 18 Oreos. This is our cookies and cream filling for our chocolate cake. Yum. Then let's just lather it on. We're putting it onto the flat surface of one of our cakes, spreading it out evenly and popping the other cake on top. There. Perfect. Then just present it with a few Oreo cookies on the side. And there you have your amazing and delicious Giant Oreo Cake. Enjoy!